What happens to a global financial hub when it decides to opt out of the world's economic wars? In Bern, the foundation of European stability is being redrawn. Switzerland is currently moving toward a historic referendum known as the Neutrality Initiative, a radical constitutional pivot designed to end the country's participation in international sanctions. This isn't just a policy shift, it is a declaration of permanent non alignment that threatens to decouple Switzerland from the European Union's economic architecture. Welcome to World Strategy Lab. In this strategic briefing, we analyze the Neutrality Initiative and the return to a fortress state mentality. Historically, Swiss neutrality was the financial shield of the West. However, following the adoption of EU sanctions against Russia in 2022 and subsequent Middle Eastern actors in 2024, critics argued that Switzerland had become a co-belligerent in all but name. The structural reality shifted on April 11, 2026, when the pro-Swiss movement solidified its push to enshrine strict neutrality in the federal constitution. The initiative proposes a total ban on Switzerland joining any non-military coercive measures, effectively barring the government from freezing assets or imposing trade restrictions dictated by the EU or the G7. The strategy revolves around the sovereignty reset. By barring sanctions, Switzerland aims to restore its status as a universal safe haven for global capital. We are already seeing the results. As instability rocks the Persian Gulf, the Swiss town of Zug has seen a record influx of wealth seeking a jurisdiction that refuses to weaponize its banking system. To Bern, this is about economic survival in a fragmenting world. To Brussels and Washington, it is a dangerous sanctions gap that could undermine the West's primary tool of geopolitical pressure. The plan focuses on 4 pillars: the constitutional ban on sanctions, the refusal to join any military alliances, the maintenance of a universal diplomatic channel for all warring parties, and the strengthening of domestic defense. This creates a new targeting window for Swiss independence. If the initiative passes later this year, Switzerland effectively closes the door on automatic alignment with the West. The structural reality is clear. In an era of total economic warfare, neutrality is no longer a passive state. It is an active defense. The Neutrality Initiative proves that in modern grand strategy, the ultimate power is the ability to say no to the collective. We are entering an era of neutrality realism, where the terms of global finance are being rewritten by those who refuse to take a side.